Hello, papunta kaming court. Say hi to mama. Say hi. Saan punta? Saan punta?
Court.
Court. Ayan na, dessert time na si Pen. Ano to? Patry. Uy, Pen. Cheesecake ang dessert ni Pen. Hello guys. Medyo pangit ang weather ngayon, umuulan. Pero yon, papunta na kami sa Titanic. Bed. So may malaking bed dito. Tapos may mini bed dito for Pen, show your bed.
Wait.
Okay.
Watch this.
Oh, 'di ba? Oh, 'di ba? Hello, papunta kaming court. Say hi to mama. Say hi. Saan punta?
Hi.
Saan punta?
Court.
Court. Say hi guys.
Uy, nakakano ba na po na?
Nagpaalam ako. So, see you later. 10:35 dating namin sa court. Di ba, Pen? Punta tayong Titanic.
Hindi niya naman alam yung Titanic.
Alam mo yung Titanic? So guys, nasa court na kami. Actually, nasa Cove na kami. Ito yung cafe na napuntahan namin initially. Magla-lunch na sana kami kaso mamaya pa mag-open yung restaurant. So kakape muna kami. Nandito kami ngayon sa restaurant Jacob's Ladder sa Cove. And ito ang aming view. Ang mga tao. This is the restaurant. Pasok tayo. Bawal pala eh.
Bawal ba? Eh kasi may aso.
Pwede. Nice. Nice, right, Pen? Big one. Ayan na, dessert time na si Pen. Ano to?
Patry mo nga.
Uy, Pen. Cheesecake ang dessert ni Pen. Try it. Nasaan na ba yung kutsara niya? Try ice cream first, na.
Try the leaf.
You want the cheesecake?
Feeling ko edible yung leaf.
Kaya nga eh.
Pen, dalihan mo. Maubos na yung film. Akin na nga, tulungan na kita.
Laki kasi ng kutsara.
Is it good? Wow. How about the cheesecake? Good? Ano? Walang ayaw niya.
One eternity later.
So, hello guys. Medyo pangit ang weather ngayon, umuulan. Pero yon, papunta na kami sa Titanic. Yeah, playground. Bakit? Yeah. Nice playground. Yeah, because it's raining. Hala, pangit ang weather. Ito yung mga building dito sa Cove. Ito yung mga nakikita namin na iba-ibang kulay. Nice. So yun, papunta nga kami ng Titanic. Yun yung ano namin, pinakaunang-unang pupuntahan. Siyempre except yung sa kinainan namin na restaurant. Yan o, wow, nice. Ayun, sugod sa ulan, tiis-tiis lang kasi alam naman natin na ang Ireland is very unpredictable ang weather. So expect the unexpected. Kahit maulan. Ang ganda oh. Parang, ang ganda ng church. Anong church yan, ma? I-flash na lang natin sa screen.
Sa likod na yung may ano,
House of Billing. Charot. House of ano?
wala.
Ganda ng kulay ng mga building. Ibang kulay talaga siya. Saka lang. Saan na tayo? Dire-diretso lang? Ito pala yung entrance nung sa Titanic. Ano, Titanic. Ay, may lift. So magkano entrance dito, ma? 27 euro kaming tatlo, family na. Pero pag per person yata 12. Hindi gumagana. Ayan, so pasok muna tayo guys. See you later. So yan guys, we decided to go to the cathedral first. Kasi 1 hour pa yung nabook namin sa Titanic. Ito yung dadaanan natin pataas. Maulan. Saan si George? Hindi pa, wala pang 3 PM.
I know you've been knocked down, you've been lost and found. You kept your feet on ground and followed your heart. I know you're missing home and all you've ever known. But when you feel alone, look for the spark. You are light and wonder, waves cannot pull you under. Don't doubt it for a minute, the sky is the limit. You'll go far. You know who you are. Don't let anybody break your stride. Yeah, all you gotta do is try, and you go far. Ready, set, start, you go far. Because of who you are. Who you are. You do it with your whole heart. You're gonna leave your mark. You are, you're ready, you're ready. Because of who you are. Who you are. You do it with your whole heart. You're gonna leave your mark. Yeah. You are, you go far.
Ano, videos?
No video.
So, bawal lang video. Entrance lang.
Seat lang daw.
I've seen those sleepless nights, sipped on the champagne life. New York City, high dollar tipsy, and I felt an LA sun, cruising up Highway 1. Picture perfect, that red sting was worth it. I've been to some parties, seen my name on marquees, red line in a black Ferrari in the country. But I've never been on top of this world. With one look you want, girl, white Adidas on bare feet, t-shirt hiding your two-piece, angel neath the makeup, wake I could only make it. Never have I ever, no, I've never seen something like you. Seen something like you.
So, hello guys. Ba't kanto yun? Alas 8. And kakain na kami ng dinner. At dito kami kakain para tipid sa travel. And kasi medyo malaking gastos kaninang lunch. So, tipid mode tayo guys. See you later. So, itong food.
Manonood lang ba sila ng live?
Burger. Show your food.
Mahirap pag may mga.
Ang dami. Dami naman. Gutom yan.
Bakit kami nauwi sa 14? Yung malalakas na
Katingin ng box.
mga boy sa kanila.
Para naman kayo pinakapal.
Kids bucket. So, hello guys. Andito tayo ngayon sa room. Mag room tour muna tayo. Papakita lang namin yung room namin dito sa hotel. Ang hotel pala namin is yung Radisson Blu dito sa Cork. So, let's start our tour. Hello!
Hi.
So, yun. Mag-start tayo dito sa entrance. Ito yung door. So, ito may salamin dito sa may bandang left. Tapos,
We're actually in court.
dito yung mga gamit namin. Yung maleta. And then, ito sa right yung banyo. So, ito yung shower. May bathtub kami dito. Ayan ang shower. Yung mga shampoo at body wash. Ayan. Tapos, dito yung...
Look, guys. Look at
Dito
my new
kalaking salamin.
glasses.
Yeah, you're so cute!
Jump, jump.
Tama-tama lang sa amin tong family of 3. Ito naman ay ang drawer. Ayan. Ano to, ma? Ano to? Electric pan ba to?
Electric.
Tapos may ayan, plancha at pakabayo. Tapos syempre may safe. May safe here. May blower. Ano yan? Panglaba. Laundry. Ayan. And then may couch dito. Mini couch. Sorry sa gamit namin. Ito yung bed. So may malaking bed dito. Tapos may mini bed dito for Pen. Show your bed.
Wait. Stop.
Okay.
Watch this.
Oh, diba? Oh, diba? We just sleep here tonight.
Yeah. I'll sleep here tonight.
Okay. Tuwan-tuwa siya sa bed. Sabi niya nung pagkakita niya, oh, I have my own bed. Ayan, may table dito and may free water. Irish spring water. Tapos may workstation din. May another salamin. At itong view. Actually, gabi na. So, tingnan natin. Medyo gabi. Gabi ngayon. So, hindi kita yung view. Ayan. Ito ang aming... We will stay here in this hotel for 3 days and 2 nights. So, happy si Penpen. Right? So, yun guys, doon na nagtatapos ang aming room tour. And then, actually, alas 9 na ng gabi. Medyo, ang gagawin ko dito sa vlog namin is parang 3 parts siya guys. So, this is the first part, yung first day namin. And then, I'll try, kung marami akong ma-video bukas saka sa third day, paghihiwalay ko yung vlog. Pero siguro, minimum of 2 videos tayo dito sa Cork. Ayun, so I'll end this video for today. This is the part 1. Ang napuntahan natin yon yung Cove. Kaso masyadong maulan yan. Actually, hanggang Monday maulan. So, medyo pangit yung weather ngayon. So, sana medyo mas okay bukas. Kasi hindi namin masyadong nalibot yung Cove. Pero nakapunta kami sa cathedral. Sobrang ganda nung simbahan. And then kami Titanic tour. So yun, marami kami natutunan sa Titanic. And then yun lang yung major for today saka itong room tour. So yun, hope na nag-enjoy kayo dito sa day 1 natin. Tomorrow is the day 2. See you sa next video. Bye! Please subscribe to our channel.